Oh, hello. Hey, Star-Lord, Mecha, and YouTuber. How's it going? Hey, hi. Hello. We're doing a thing. We're doing a thing. You have to guess. YouTuber, you're not feeling well, and what is this about? You have to guess. We are doing something right now. We are doing something. Something's happening right now, and we are actively making things happen, and you have to guess what it is. It's something on the computer, and when you guess, you win. All you have to do is type it in chat. So type in chat what you think what we're doing it is. That's it. That's the game. That's it. And it's going to get better from here. It's going to get different. We'll be doing different things. So all you got to do is guess. Just type in chat what you think it is that we're doing. Something on the computer. We're typing on the computer. But yeah, if you type in chat, and then you will have a chance to guess, and you will have a chance to win. That is currently what's happening right now. So let me see here. Playing Fortnite. Okay, good guess. Nope, not playing Fortnite. This is not happening. We're not playing Fortnite. We'd probably be a little more intense and be flashing. You'd see the screen like flashing bright at me, and I'd be like, "Whoa, it's too bright!" like, I'd be like, "What is it?" Like a whole bunch of flashy bright lights. Like, it'd be like back between flash and not flash, you know. So we're not. There's nothing flashy happening yet, at least. So, good guess, Mecha. We get some other guesses. We need to also display the guesses on screen is what we got to do. I definitely think we have to display those. I think we can figure out how to do that different later. We don't have to worry about that right now. But yeah, all you got to do is guess. That's the game. Playing a game, got to guess. Type in chat. Yep, that's it. That's the thing. Oh, wow, really? Okay. So, but it's going to get different. It'll get different from here. I think we could. Okay. You subscribed, Mecha. Thank you. That's great. We what do we do here? It's mostly a tech channel. So we mostly talk about software engineering and technology. And this is definitely what we're about here right now. And there'll be a lot of programming, software development. There'll be some algorithms, AI, learning, training, everything. A whole bunch of different things. We have got a lot on the plate. But right now, we are currently doing something, and if you guess, you win. All you have to do is type in chat, and it's a thing. It's a thing that we're doing right now. I'm trying to figure out how I want it to work. How do I want this to work? I need it to be simple. Do you believe in Jesus Christ? Good question. There seems to be this figure, this person, right, is in many texts and is referred to in many texts. That's a good question. Yeah, it's a good question. It's religion. I don't typically. That's a religious figure, right? There's a lot of different religious figures throughout humanity. Don't often jump into those kinds of conversations, though Definitely. Good question. But we do have to guess. We are playing the guessing game right now. What is currently happening? What are we doing? The plan is we're gonna, and it's not gonna stop here. We're nowhere near done yet. So this is like phase one. This is phase one. But you had a chance if you type in chat. If you type in chat and you guess currently what is, you just got to guess. If you get it right, then you win. That's the idea. So we're making it happen. And do you know about the what? Wait, I don't know what that is. No, I don't know. Alex Lopez. I do not know what that is. What is that? You're watching YouTube. Well, I think you kind of win from that respect. You kind of win. Watching YouTube kind of counts. That is not exactly what the current goal, like what the current goal is. We're currently working on something using the computer. We're doing something on the computer, and you're right. You could be watching YouTube, right? That could be a thing that happens. This is definitely something that's possible. But I'm looking for a very specific answer, and it does have to do with typing on the keyboard, not just watching the screen. Yeah, but you're really close. Very, very close. Editing. Yes, you're really close. You're really close. That is you're almost there. I need a little bit more specific information. You're very close. A guy who caught Predator on Roblox, and he got and is ceased and desist letter. Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds like a bad situation, Alex. I don't know about this. I haven't heard about it. I don't know what the details are. But yeah, there's you gotta be careful out there. There's a lot of there can be a lot of scary situations. You gotta be safe. Definitely make sure you're safe. Yeah. We're currently playing, though, at least right now, we're currently playing the guessing game. And if you guess correctly, editing a YouTube video. So close. Actually, you might have been completely correct, because that was one of the plans. Check this out. We're doing something. There's not a lot of folks are doing this, but we are editing using, when I edit videos, I do it programmatically. So I've got some scripts that I use using shell scripts, Bash, and Python, Z Shell, ZSH, FFmpeg, and that sort of thing. When I'm editing videos, that's how I do it. But in this case, you're really close. You would have been completely accurate. You would have won. If that's what I was doing. That was the plan. I'm going to try to pronounce your name, Isaha. I'm having a challenging time pronouncing your name, Isiaha. Yeah, but you're really close. You're super close. All right, so I'm doing the thing. I'm over here. We're doing something. We are editing. You are really close, but what are we editing? I'm actually kind of curious how this looks. Oh. I don't know if I want it like this. Maybe I want it a little bit different. My name. Yeah, your name. Yeah. What is how do you pronounce your name? I'm let's see if we can. So ISAIAH. ISAIAH. Let's see if we can get that here. ISAIAH. C. Isaiah. I got it now. Isaiah. Alex, you are 98% there. Alex Lopez, editing with a program. Yeah, we are editing with a program. If you guess the program, you win. You'll definitely win if you guess what the program is. I don't know if you're going to guess it. You might not. But you're really close. We're almost there between Isaiah and Alex. We've got editing an email. That was a good one. You would have won an hour ago, Isaiah. Isaiah, 1 hour ago, you would have won because that's what we were doing. We were editing an email. But now we're doing something different. We're editing something else. Really, really close. Yeah. So close. Yeah, I'm really happy that Isaiah, I got your name right. It just took me a second to figure out how to pronounce. Isaiah. We got it. Okay. Almost there. So I want to Is it like a software? Alex Lopez. Is it like a software? Yes, you can it is you're in the right category. You're 100% in the right category. We're really close here, Alex. Isaiah and Alex are really, really close. Just a few more words. I'm looking for some keywords here. DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so that's a video editing, right? That's a video editor. We are not editing any videos. I can give you a hint on that. No video editing right now. We would be though, but we wouldn't be using DaVinci Resolve. I edit videos using FFmpeg, which is a CLI tool that you run in your terminal, and you give it Power Director. What is Power Director? I don't even know what that is. What is Power Director? I'm going to look that up really quick. Power Director. What is this? Power Director. Create stunning videos. Oh, it's a video editor. Okay. From Cyberlink. Very nice. Yep. We're not doing that. We're not editing with Power Director. Let's see. I want to. I'm wondering. Let's see. You know what? I think. What are we guessing? Hi, Sumit. Good question. You're asking the right question. You're guessing what we're doing right now. Like I'm doing something on the computer. Hi, Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn and Sumit. We are currently guessing. We're typing in chat. You're typing in chat what we are currently doing. Something on the computer, something with the keyboard. So if you guess it, you win. Isaiah and Alex got really close. Can you talk to me, Evelyn? Evelyn, can you talk to me? Yeah. Well, isn't that what's happening right now? We're Evelyn Thomas. Yes, we're talking. That's what's happening right now, right? Yes, I can talk to you. That is happening. I do wonder. Okay. So we are currently doing something you have to guess. Streaming. Well, yeah. I mean, that's a given, Sumit. What are we streaming? We are streaming, but there's something. There's this guess. So we've got. You can guess, right? So we are guessing something, and it's a blank screen here. There's something behind the blank screen, and it will reveal what we're actually doing, and you have to guess what's behind it. I know that wasn't immediately obvious, but we're Grammarly. Isaiah says Grammarly. What about Grammarly? Isn't that software? That is software that you use to edit. So that's a good one. That is not what we're using. We're using something more technical for sure. Remove. So I think I want to the user system on show the, so it's happening right now. I'm typing on the keyboard and you got to guess what I'm doing. Evelyn, you love soccer. Yeah, that is a great sport. The world's largest sport. The most popular sport in the world is soccer. Sumit, any clue? Good question. Clue. All right. So it does involve typing on the keyboard. It doesn't involve so much, a trackpad or anything like that, or a mouse. Alex Lopez, Capterra. Is Capterra another? What is Capterra? I'm going to look that up really quick. Capterra. Another Capterra top software choices. Organizing the right software and service. What is Capterra? A free online marketplace for vendors serving between buyer and technology vendors, software industry. It's not that. It's not Capterra. Good guess. Sumit, any other clues? It's usually keyboard related. I could tell you that. It's mostly keyboard related. Reaction on stream. Maybe. I mean, at some point, that would be fun to do at some point. Not a reaction on stream, although I guess technically that's what's going on, but I'm looking for a specific answer of an activity. I'm currently being productive and using the keyboard. I'm being productive using the keyboard, and you have to guess what I'm producing. Can we switch what you are doing? Yeah. Yeah. Well, yes, it's going to happen. So is the moment that I get, so this is phase one, right? So if you guess phase one, then you win. If nobody guesses phase one, although you got really, really close, we're going to move to phase two. And I'm currently working on phase two right now. And phase two is going to be a lot more better than just this guess word on the screen here, right? You got to guess. What is it going to be? I don't know. I don't know what it is. But it'll be better than just this, I promise. You're here at the very beginning. This is it. Are you trading crypto? Good question. Oh, you know what? This is actually kind of neat. I've done this before, and I have done that. I have traded crypto. Check this out. You can do arbitrage on crypto because of the different marketplaces that exist. So just like you can do arbitrage between currencies and arbitrage between exchanges for securities, like stocks and bonds and things like that, you can do arbitrage as well with cryptocurrency, because you can buy with Bitcoin and then buy like a cryptocurrency with Bitcoin and then sell, buy like say Ether and then sell in USD. And so what you've done is you've hopped a few times. You've done a few hops, right? Hop, boop, sell, buy, sell. And then you come back to a fiat currency, a stable currency, and you've made 2 pennies. Isn't that cool? And you can keep doing that. And what you do is you want to analyze, load in the order books from the exchanges, find out the current market rates of all the different prices between BTC, Ethereum, and the different purchases. And then you can find trade routes to make money. Isn't that people do this all the time? It's called arbitrage, and it stabilizes the market. It's actually really good. It helps the market a lot. You get the opportunity to earn money as an arbitrager because you're fronting capital, and it's expensive, but you actually earn money yourself, and you're stabilizing the market. So it's a win-win for everyone. But if you do arbitrage, it's free money, but you're helping the economy. Okay. You are watching AI projects. Sumit, I think technically you win. I think you technically win. So Alex Lopez, Adobe or Vixer? No, I think Sumit is the closest. So you're watching AI projects. Sumit, what if you're still there? Let me know and kind of elaborate on what you're thinking, because I think you technically win, and you get to choose what your prize is. You get to choose. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Alex, GGs. Yeah, I think Sumit wins. If you're still here, then let me know and kind of elaborate on what you're thinking. I'm pretty sure you got it. You've got time to type because we're going to be here for a while. We're going to be here for a little while. Let's see. So, Isaiah, are you editing a script for this video? So, it's a good question. That will be the plan. I might do that this weekend. And when I say editing a script, I'm actually talking about writing some code to edit videos. So I've got this. I've got a plan. I'm figuring it out. A whole idea, a whole plan. We're making things happen. And we've got some fun plans coming up here. But Isaiah, that will be the plan for this weekend, but it's not what's happening right now. I think Sumit got really close, but Sumit might not be here anymore, and I'm not sure how to tell because I'm pretty new to the streaming. Sumit, you are here. Okay, you were thinking you are going through new AI projects which people have published. Okay, so you are the closest, and you have the chance. You definitely have the chance to win, but I'm not going through other people's projects. I'm doing something here on my computer that's not involving other people's projects. But you're really close. You're really close, and I think you technically win because you're the closest. But it would be really fun for me, at least, if you got all the way there. And you're really close. Really, really close. If no one else gets anything closer, then you win. Are you using ChatGPT, Isaiah? I'm using AI. Yeah, I can give you a hint there. Are you making one? Alex Lopez, yes. I am making an AI project. Are you creating a new AI project? Okay. So yes. I think I have to say yes. So Alex and Sumit, you're both correct. Isaiah, not using ChatGPT, using a different one. From scratch? Yeah, from scratch, but the AI is doing the scratch part. So it's brand new. It is brand new. And we are making it. And so it's like, I guess you could say the next version of what we're doing is currently what we're working on right now. So I think technically I'm very satisfied with this. So what's your thoughts? Squatted trucks. Oh, like short trucks, Isaiah? Thoughts on squatted trucks? They're fine. They're actually more aerodynamic. They're closer to the ground. They have a closer center of gravity. Just as long as it's, still practical so it can go over bumps. I think that's what you're talking about, right? Isaiah, you are going to build a new idea using AI. Sumit, yes, you are correct. I think it's not 100% new, but I'm calling it new and innovative. So I think technically, that's it. You win. All right. So good job, Sumit. Good job. I'm counting. You win. You win the guess. Okay. So I think we can go over. We are actively working on what will my gift be? What do you want it to be? What do you want? You win. You get to choose. But Sumit, here's the challenge. Don't type yet. Don't type in chat yet. Hold on. Don't say. You get to choose what you want, what you get. But here's the catch. If it's too expensive, you don't get it. So I don't know what the determination of that is. Too expensive, but you can get it, Sumit, whatever it is you want. But you have to type it in chat. And if it's too expensive, then I'll have to say no. But if it's just right, then you get it, and I promise you will get it. It'll be delivered to you. Whatever it is that you win, Sumit, you win. So we are currently editing the next version of this game. I don't even know what the answer is to this. So we've got we're doing the V2 of this game, basically is what we're doing. And that is currently what we are working on, and I'm going to. Okay, look it up. What will it be? Look it up. Isaiah Simmons. Look it up. Oh, look it up. Squatted trucks is what you were referring to. All right, squatted trucks. Yeah. Okay. Oh, they are much higher off the ground than I thought. Isaiah Simmons. No. The front end lifted up high in the rear and low. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. So you kind of see here. Squatter trucks. See, I get it. So it's like it's diagonal. It's not fully horizontal. Yeah. I think they're impractical. Because here's why. It is less stable. It's more expensive from a gas consumption perspective because you're getting extra drag. It's dangerous, and it obscures your view when you're driving. So I guess from a pure application perspective of a squatter truck, they're neat. Look, I tell you what, they're fun, but not worth it. I wouldn't. I mean, are they even legal? Squatter trucks are often illegal. See, safety concerns. That's exactly what I was talking about. They're dangerous. They're not. They're danger to other people on the road. So you gotta. I think that's a dangerous scenario. But Sumit, if you're still there, you can definitely submit your prize, the prize that you're looking for. Let's see here, 5. Maybe it's in seconds. Here we go. All right. Sumit, webcam. Okay. So Sumit, what you want to do is send how do we let me see here. Let's see if there's a thing I can do. Channel activity, go to channel, pin message, put user hide, add as moderator, channel activity. Is there a way I can, how do you communicate to me which webcam you want? Because you win and you're the first winner and this is the beginning. It's the very beginning. You are thinking you are going through new, okay, yeah. Let's see here. All right, webcam. Just let me know which one. And then, do you have Gcash app? No, I don't have G. Yes, you can email me. Here, I'll just type my email in chat. There you go. Email me, and then you will get a webcam. Because you win. This is the first game. So I think it's worth it because this is like, what do you call it? The frontier game, right? The first one. The launching point. I'm not sure. I'm sure. Isaiah. Cash App. Yeah, so no. Cash App, I do not have Cash App. But it can be something, it would be something else. But we are going to, let's see here. Let me see. I should be able to, all right, there we go. Okay. There we go. So what we're going to do now is, now that we've got the winner, we are going to make sure that they get the prize. Sumit. Then I'm going to work on the next phase of version 2 of this. So we need to we're making some changes here really quick. So now V2 of this game is happening. That's currently what we're doing. We're currently working on V2. And then Sumit will get a webcam for winning, because good job, Sumit. And then, yes. And then we're going to start with phase 2, version 2 of this game, and we're going to continue to iterate on it. Isn't this great? This is the whole future of software engineering is new and exciting and easier with these AIs. Here's what's great is I think it does save you a lot of time, because as a software engineer, you don't actually spend a lot of time typing. And you might see some YouTube videos about software engineering on the internet that describe why does it want to do this? What is it doing? Yes, don't ask. You want open. Oh, no. Do it differently. You don't need that. Okay. Test URL photo change. Yeah, I don't need you to change it. All right. I was pretty sure remaining. Yeah. I changed the game duration. Alex Lopez. So Sumit is the first one who won in the guessing game. Yes. Sumit won. Alex Lopez, Sumit won. Sumit's going to email the prize. Isaiah, all right. Headed out. I subscribed. When will you be filming again? I'm trying to go live every day for at least an hour. In the weekdays, Monday through Friday, is the plan. Mostly, this is a tech channel, so we'll be talking about software engineering and technology, and but there will be also some interactivity moments like this. Like we'll be doing more fun activities. That's like the kind of the plan. Yeah, so we're nearly there. Let's see here. Let's see. All right, let's see. Yeah. So it's great. It's great to see you, Isaiah. Thank you for stopping by. We'll be hanging out for today. And here we go. I'm going to try to see. Excellent. Got it. I'm testing it right now. We're testing the next version. All right. I've sent you an email. Please check. Okay, I will. I will check. We need to delete this. I don't like that. I think it's working. Alex Lopez. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you, sub. That's great. Thank you, Alex, for the subscription. I'm looking forward to seeing you come back again. It was fun. It was great. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. And then, all right. So we do have this new version of the game that's happening right now, and it is working. It's working the way I want it to. And I think it's good. All right. So all I have to do is make a few changes, and then we can be on to phase 2. Sumit, you win again. Okay. Yeah, that's what it was. This is so. We haven't started the new game yet per se, because we're currently testing. This is beta software, right? We haven't started game 2 yet. But yeah, that is what it is. You guessed correctly. So I just have to do a few things on my side to make sure that this looks the way I want it to. Here we go. I think that's fine. Okay. So, Sumit, I'm going to hide the screen here really quick, and then I'm going to check the email. So actually, I could do that from a different device without having to worry about it. All right, here we go. So we're going to look for your email here. Okay. Okay, so Sumit, here's webcam. Logitech webcam. All right. How do I get it to you? See, that's the question. Yeah, no. Oh, wait. Hold on. How do I... Okay. I'm going to see if I can get this to you. All right, so the graphite one. Why is it? Okay. I'll have to, let's see here. No, we do here, click these buttons. Gemini, congratulations, Sumit. You win. Yeah, Sumit won. Sumit did it. Sumit got the correct answer. Okay, here we go. Sumit, that is a very nice webcam. I am new and subscribed to. Excellent. Graphite, yes. Okay. So Sumit, what you have to, I'm not sure. So this is, I'm new to this. So what you have to do is add it to your wish list and then send me a link to your wish list. And then I can, and then that way, if you do that, so on your Amazon, you have to go to your wish list, add it to your wish list, and then send me a link to your wish list. Is that what you might have done that? Because then what I can do is I don't need to know your address. And then all I have to do is click the button, and it will automatically deliver it to you. So Sumit, if you add it to your wish list, then send me a link to your wish list, which you might have done. I'm not sure. Just let me know. Is that what you did? No, you sent me a direct link. So you need to send me a link to your wish list. And then I can click the button, and then I won't need to know your address. I won't need to know your address then. Let's see here. So while you're doing that, Sumit, I'm going to continue to make updates to this. Let's see here. We're just going to call this guess. Yeah, I'll keep the photo, whatever. We don't want this. Okay, reload. That works for me. And then instead of saying 5 colon, say 1. Well, I think 5 is good. I think we could just stick with 5. So minute back to C. Go back to 5. Okay. Thank you again, Gemini, for subscribing. Sumit, yeah, once you send me your wish list link, then that's how that can work. Because then I can just click a button. I don't need to know your address, and then you win, and you get your prize, winning this the first voyage of our adventures here. All right, I think that's what I was looking for. Looking good. Now I just need to find this. And then, Gemini, sir, what should I need to choose web dev or data science? Data science. Do data science. Definitely do data science. Here's why. Because web dev, I didn't have to do anything. Like, look, this is the AI does all the web dev. AI will also do data science for you as well. But with data science, there's a lot more interpretation. AI can interpret it as well, though I think there's still an application in the world for data science, and it's a higher. There's more. I don't know. It's more interesting. I mean, it really here's the idea, Gemini. If you're choosing between web dev or data science, which one sounds more exciting? Most people would say web dev because there's it's visual and interactive, and it's neat, and you can surprise and delight users with your web dev. With data science, it's more business. It's dry. It could be boring. So, would you want to do? Oh, I've sent you the wish list link in the mail. Perfect. Okay. Excellent, Sumit. Okay. Wish list. Here's my link. Okay. I'm just, I definitely want to make sure I get this to you, but I'm not sure that was the right one. Is that the right one? Stephen, can I work with you? In what way? What are you looking for? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Let's see here. So yeah, it's not working for me, Sumit. The link isn't working correctly. Because it's for whatever reason, it's sending me directly to the product page, which allows me to buy it for myself, but it doesn't let me buy it for you. So I need a link. You need to create a wish list, and then you need to send me a link to your wish list, if that makes sense. So, because on your wish list, you can have a whole bunch of different things. You can put add a whole bunch. It's like a list with all the items in you. And so, let's see here. Let me see if I can. There's a very small. Yeah, that what I did. So I don't know if it's going to show up on camera here, but see, it says add to wish list. There's an add to wish list button. It's very tiny. Add to wish list. And you click add to wish list, and then you send me a link to your list. And then I can buy it that way. So it's for whatever reason, it's not working on my side. Because it's only sending me to the product page and not your wish list. And then let me see. So yeah, it's right below the buy now button. So what I'm going to do is one second. All right. Maybe, Sumit, can you buy Amazon gift card too? Yeah, gift card works. Gift card's easy because I can just send you a link in your email. Does that work? How about a gift? Gemini, you're so smart, Gemini. that's a lot easier, isn't it? I think we should do that. I think we should just do the gift card approach. So 1 second. Okay. $150. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Sumit, what I'm going to do, I'll just send you an Amazon gift card. I'll do that. I think it's a lot easier. I'll just send it to you in your email. So thank you, Gemini. That was a brilliant idea. How easy and satisfying that is. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hide things on the screen, and then I'm going to get that gift card going. So give me a second. Amazon. Let me click on gift cards. Click the button there. Amazon. There we go. Email. I'm entering your email. Here we go. Okay. Getting things going. All right. Thank you again, Gemini. That was a brilliant idea. All right. So, Sumit, I've got your email. I'm going to reply to you. Oh, hey. Oh, you actually. Okay. I see your wish list. Now I see your wish list item. It was in a third email 1 minute ago. What did Sumit get? What did Sumit do to get a gift card? Sumit did the guess. He correct guessing what. So we're doing a new thing. This is a new thing. We're trying more interactive gaming ideas, and we were building using AI software to do this, and Sumit figured it out. It took a lot of guesses, and Sumit guessed a lot of different guesses, but Sumit really did it. Sending you shortly. Okay. Sumit, I'm going to send it to your Gmail account. Sumit, here we go. And then here we go. I'm double checking everything looks good. Okay. Good job at winning the guessing game. Perfect. Okay. Delivery date now. All right, it's incoming. It's happening. We're making it real. We are making it real. I'm validating. Everything looks good. Okay, it's happening. Yep. I like it. This is really good. You're gonna have the best webcam ever, Sumit. Isn't this great? It's like an amazing. I hope you like this. Okay, it's done. Estimated delivery in 1 hour. Confirmation will be sent to your email within 5 minutes. Oh, Muhammad, hey bro, I have been building Next.js, Node.js, TypeScript, PostgreSQL, full stack project of a rehabilitation service platform, a personal project. Can I build with Claude Code, initialize to deploy? Yeah. Well, I mean, yes is the answer, right? You could totally do that. That's what I'm doing on a regular basis. Claude Code is great. It's amazing. And that's actually what we're doing now. We're about to start the next round. All right. So hi, Sumit. Stephen, by working with you, I meant work with you in a AI project under your guidance. Oh, yeah. I guess that's actually would be a lot of fun. That would be super stellar. That would make a lot of fun. Muhammad, how it will cost me? Yeah, it does. So, Muhammad, that's one of the challenges. So there are some open source models that are essentially free that you can use, and they do an okay job, but nothing is as good as Claude Code right now. And they do have a subscription plan, but it does cost money. And it is one of the, I guess, unfortunate things is now with AI, this won't always be the case. So it's getting better and cheaper and faster. How much it will cost me if I want to build it within a week? So it depends on which pricing plan you get. If you do because you can pay per token, right? You can pay per token, and it could end up being, it can get pretty expensive depending on how much you're using it. But you don't have to use it 100% of the time, right? You can use it only when you need it. But it does get expensive. Where I can see my order. So Sumit, it says here, I'll show it on screen. 1 second. 1 second. Let me see here. Give me a moment. Here we go. Oh, ooh. See, I gotta be careful. Because it has information that's revealing. I'm gonna make sure everything looks good on the screen before I share it. Show you the details here. Okay. There you go. Let me hide that. Order placed, thanks. Confirmation sent your email. Estimated delivery within under 1 hour. In rare circumstances, it may be longer. So I guess you just have to wait for Amazon to send you an email. And then you win. But you already won. And there you go. So you should be good to go. Can you share a link as well? Yes, I think I can. Give me a second. Because I've done this before. I've done it before where I can share the link. Hold on. Let me see if I can find that. I am going to see if that can be possible. I'm pretty sure I've seen it before. I'm looking through it. I'm looking through it right now. I'm pretty sure I can just do a direct. Okay. It's not showing. It says that the order was successful. I'm still looking. It says estimated delivery in under an hour. I don't see the link. Usually there's a link. There's usually a link that I can send out, like an extra link. Oh, it says sent. It says it's sent. It said it went. It should be in your inbox. Let me know if it worked. I can see the link in my inbox. All right, we did it. Hooray! Congratulations at winning again from the beginning of the first game that we did. We're going to do version 2 here. Let me see. I need to check. We need to make just a few changes, and then we can do game version 2. But let's see here. Since you won the most difficult challenge, you actually get the prize. 35. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end stream. Sumit, congratulations again at winning. I'm gonna hang out just for a few more minutes while I make changes for the next version of the game, and then I'll be back in a half an hour or so. In about 30 minutes. Congratulations, Sumit. Gemini says, if you really won the gift card. Yeah, he really did. It really happened. And he got it. I can see the link in the mail. Sumit did. So, congratulations, Sumit. Good job at winning the guess game. We're going to do guess game version 2. And I need to make a few changes to the guess game. And I'm going to do that right now. And when I'm happy with it, I have to end stream and go do some other work. I have a few things to take care of. And then I can come back a little bit later today, maybe in about 30 minutes or so. So here's what we're going to do. That's the plan right now. I am going to make a few changes. And then congratulations again, Sumit, for winning. We are about to wrap up a few changes here. And then I just want to make a few changes so that way it looks good. And then when I'm happy with it, we will come back. So I do have to go away. I do have to go. Actually, I have some work related tasks that I have to do because we're playing around right now. We're having fun. This is what we're doing. We're having fun. We're playing around, but we do want to get the next phase of this game going. I think that's it. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, I'm very happy. I'm going to test this out really quick, and then, bro, can you check my last message, Muhammad? All right, Muhammad, you said, I had been researching about it, but I found if I deposit $50, I can build it. Oh, thank you, Muhammad, for reminding me. I saw your message and I got distracted. $50 to build. So is it possible? Can you share anything to contact you? Discord, Instagram, or anything? Can you share anything to contact you? Yeah. So if you go to my YouTube, under my About section, I'll show you. I have everything that's there. YouTube.com/Stephen. At Stephen Blum on YouTube. Let me double check that I got right. Yeah, okay. So let me just do a quick screen share. So there is, so you go to the YouTube page, right? You're on the YouTube, and then you can click there's an about, there's something in here. Links. Here you go. You'll see this. You'll see all the different links. LinkedIn is the best. Though you'll have to ping me and let me know. But there's a few other items in here. So, but LinkedIn, I've also got Twitter or X. So between these two, these are the best. But LinkedIn's probably better, if that answers your question, Mohammed. But yeah, that's on at Stephen Blum at YouTube. And there you go. That's it. So I think I've got everything the way I want it to. So I do have to jump off here. Oh, yes. Thank you, Mohammed. Yeah. Sumit, congratulations again for winning. I'm really happy. You get hopefully since you got the gift card version, hopefully you'll be able to get the webcam that you want or something different. But the webcam looked like it was really nice. So I'm going to test this. Really, I do have to jump and do some actual work, but I will be back a little bit later. Please remember my name, Muhammad Amin. You will, okay, Muhammad Amin. Yes, I will definitely remember your name. But I might not. You have to come back. So I'll be live again here in a little bit. And I'll be live throughout other times, or feel free to just continue to ping me if you notice that I don't respond, because I have lots of things are happening. But yeah, definitely come and join. Let's see here. All right, I'm going to say, let's see. I'm going to test something really quick. I'm going to make sure this works before we end stream. I'm going to test some things. I'm going to give it a shot, and then we will end stream. I want to make sure it looks good. Oh, you know what? I'm kind of curious about that. Here we go. Try this one out. Oh, interesting. I wonder if that works. That won't. All right. Almost there. Is that okay? Maybe. Okay. How about this? There we go. Haha! I can show you. All right. Okay. I think I'm happy with this. This looks good to me. Okay, Mohammed. No issues, brother. I will be waiting for your next stream if I don't get your reply. Okay, cool. That sounds good. All right, so I'm pretty happy. I think we have what we're looking for. We have you know what? I need to put instructions. It can't just be this. I think we need something like, yeah, something like that. I think we'll just do that for now. Is that it? Am I going to get, here we go. I think that looks good. I think about that right there. Maybe. I mean, it's not great. Sir, your cam is lagging. Oh, is it? Oh, no. That's not good. What do we have? We're at 45 frames. No. Oh, yeah, we did drop some frames. We dropped 544 frames. Yep. Yep. Thank you. Hopefully it's good now. Let me double check. Let me see if we're looking good here. It seems like it's back to normal. Is it? See if we can see if it's back to normal or not. It is lagging, isn't it? It's super lagging. Not like by a little bit, but by a lot of it. Dang. Okay. I don't know why it's lagging. It's definitely lagging, I can see. Okay. We'll have to figure that out. Darn, you know, I thought I fixed that. That is unfortunate. Let's see how much it is. It's super lagging right now, but you can hear my voice. Let's see here. Is it still lagging? Now, is it lagging because of the screen? Let's see here. We're receiving enough video. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Let me, before I jump. I'm leaving here pretty soon, but I do want to make sure that I see if I can figure out what's wrong. But yeah, you're right. The camera was lagging. I don't know if it's still lagging or not, but we'll see what the deal is there. See if we can figure it out. Okay, is it not lagging now? I think it's good. Okay, so the reason why it was lagging was the actual software that I was running. Okay, let me see if I can recreate the. Yeah, okay, I see. Yeah, okay. We're gonna have to. I know what the problem is. All right. Now that I know what the problem is, I'll fix it before we start the next stream. But I do have to go. Thank you everyone for being here. We're gonna do another fun game, but it'll be this game. But I'll make it so that way the camera doesn't lag, because there's definitely a camera lag. I'm seeing it right now, and it's specifically because of this game. And I need to fix that. So I just need to optimize it. But yeah, it was great to see everyone. Thank you for stopping in. Hey, thanks, Steven. Yep. You're welcome, Sumit. Enjoy the webcam. And yeah, I think so. Wait, no, it's working right now. Okay. It seems to be working. Let me double check. And keep going here. Oh, is that it? No? Okay. I just want to make sure it looks good. So it seems to be working. Maybe it was just a temporary blip. You're welcome, Sumit, for the gift card. So happy you got it. Congratulations on winning the very first version of the game. And I'm wondering if any. Yeah, so that's the plan. All right, so I'm going to end stream now. Oh wait. Is it? No, I just want to make sure that everything looks smooth. It seems fine now. Maybe it was just a temporary blip. It was just like a little tiny blip. But we seem to be doing good now. I just want to make sure. Steven, let me know how we can connect regarding working together. Yeah, all right, so we've got our emails now. So feel free to ping me and let me know if you have any ideas. I do have some other ideas that would be. Oh wait, is it? Yeah. All right. So video's looking good now. I don't know why it was so terrible before. Maybe it was because here. Maybe is it this? Is it when it's way too blurry? I'm going to do a few tests here. I do have to run. I do have to go. I do have to go and actually do work now. But I just want to double check that everything. Yeah, that's what it is. That? No? Double check. We're testing things out here. We want to make sure it looks good. We're trying it over again. I want to make sure there's no laggy, nothing lagging. Seems fine now. It looks good. It looks good to me. Sir, I have a great idea about gaming. Oh, do you? Avanish Rana. You have a good idea about gaming. Would be great to hear it. I do have to go though. It seems like everything's working, at least from the video perspective. We got it back. We did have a lagging camera for a moment, but I think we're good now. We got to keep an eye out for it. Gaming is huge. It's a big industry, a $1 billion industry. There's a lot going on there, and there's a huge amount of opportunity. There's also it's a high risk as well, because you can release a game and it might not gain traction, and so there's a problem with that. But there's also a lot of upside and a lot of opportunity there. So gaming is great and a lot of fun. But it looks like we're good. All right, so I'm ending stream now. I have to run to go do some. Oh, you're from India? Yes. That's a great place that has a lot of software engineering. On encoding overloaded, consider turning down the video settings. Okay. I think I can do that. Okay. I saw a blip on the screen. So I will end stream. I'll make a few changes and a few adjustments, and we will be able to be ready for the next one. So thank you everyone for joining. I'm ending stream now, and I'm just going to check something really quick. Stream health. Error is not receiving. Okay, I think we're good. I'll have to make a few adjustments so that way everything turns out fine. But it seems like we have a decent amount of success here. All right. Thank you everyone for joining. I'm ending now. Oh, before we go, if you want to visit India, feel free to reach out. Yep. Okay. I'll let you know. Probably no. Probably not. I have issues with traveling. But thank you for the invite. That is very appreciated. We're ending stream here, and we'll be back here in a little bit later today. Thank you for visiting, everyone, and we'll see you later.